this is Sandy Create the Heart, and I'm back to share another card set using the Create and Quads layering stencil. So these are genius. You know, I'm tempted to get the other ones that they have. They have like a holly one, and then a what is it? A snowflakes one. That's so holiday, but this is so versatile. I think the hearts, because you could do this in a variety of colors, and you can use all different kinds of stamps. They don't have to be holiday. You could do birthday or thank you or whatever. So the way that works is that you cut your paper at 8 by 10.5, and then you stencil. So each stencil you would do in a different color. I did stencil paste on my last one. Then you cut them, and you get 4 different panels that you can then place on cards for backgrounds. And it's pretty genius. So I love it. It's awesome. I just used some other things for the cards I'm going to show you. I used the like you. I used the boy. And I used the love and hugs. Even though it's got this Happy Valentine's Day, love you, I still think it's very versatile. They could use all year round. And then I have the dies. And then I used this new stamp set, which I just got, and I just showed this in a haul. It's Dragon Love and a little die. And then I also used this new stamp set that I just got, Sent with Love, Lawn Fawn, and the freebie. So this was a freebie. If you spent $60 on the Lawn Fawn website, you got this little freebie. So I use lots of different and new products with this stuff. So I'm really happy to be able to use some of my new stuff. So let me show you what I did. And so just like I did with the red set, the one that had the blank kind of panel on the side, I put a little girl. This time I put a boy. And so the colors that I used are blues. And then of course I used the silver because I think it really went really well with this color palette. So, and I did the hugs up there. Just colored with my Copics. Very simple. I think you make a very cute boy card. And then this one, I used the little dragon. It says sending lots of love. And so here's my cute dragon. And I stamped the XOXO in there and then sending lots of love. And then this one, this card is Sent with Love. And then I've got the cute little skunks there. And then I've got little hearts here. And then I've got these heart gems that I had in my stash. And there you go. Isn't that cute? And then this one I kept very simple just because it's got a lot of pattern on it already. And then I just stamped in white on this blue cardstock. And I heat embossed it and then cut it out with the die. So I just really had a lot of fun with these cards. And so it really, when you make the backgrounds, it's so easy to make a card with it because you can just use all the stamps that you have in your stash to make a cute card. So thank you for watching. This is Sandy Create the Heart.